Alright, so what we got is a Mercedes Sprinter 2018 installed with a factory style reverse camera on the brake light. So it takes your original brake light out and puts a brake light style reverse camera, and it was all done on the original Mercedes system. So when you put it into reverse, just like on the original system, you get it come up on the screen with full moving guidelines. So if your Sprinter didn't come with a reversing camera, we can integrate that onto the new style screen. So if you want this installed on yours, see the link down below. And thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.